In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use stickers in CapCut Desktop. First, open the CapCut Desktop app and give it a moment to fully load. Once you're on the main screen, you can either create a new project or open an existing one, depending on where you are in your editing process. If you're starting fresh, choose a new project. If you already have a video you've been working on, just open that project so you can continue editing. Next, add a video to the timeline. This is important because stickers are usually placed on top of video content, so having your clip in the timeline makes it much easier to see exactly where the sticker will appear. Once your video is in place, you're ready to move into the sticker tools. At the top toolbar, click on Stickers. After that, wait for the Stickers panel to load completely. Depending on your system or internet connection, this may take a moment, so just be patient until the available options appear. Once the panel is open, browse through the available sticker categories. CapCut includes a variety of styles, so take your time and look for one that matches the tone and purpose of your video. When you find a sticker you want to use, select it and then click the plus button on that sticker to add it to your project. Now wait for the sticker to appear on the timeline. This step confirms that the sticker has been inserted into your edit as its own element. After it appears, review the preview window so you can see how it looks on screen. This is where you'll begin adjusting its placement. Drag the sticker to your preferred position in the preview window. Try to place it somewhere that supports the video without blocking anything important. If the sticker looks too large or too small, resize it as needed so it feels balanced within the frame. A good tip here is to keep the overall composition in mind so the sticker adds visual interest without becoming distracting. When you're happy with the placement and size, click the play button to preview the video. Watch the section carefully and confirm that the sticker appears correctly. You want to make sure it looks natural, stays visible, and fits the scene the way you intended. Once everything looks right, confirm that the sticker has been successfully added. And that's it. You've now learned how to use stickers in CapCut Desktop, from opening your project to placing and previewing your sticker with confidence.